Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a look here at Cardano, seeing what's going on. Just a quick update from yesterday. When we left off yesterday, it was consolidating at this resistance level, was providing us with a pennant type of pattern that just broke out and essentially hasn't looked back roughly 12 hours ago. So awesome stuff there. Congrats to our Cardano holders. We're going to take a look at reversing these fibs and essentially see how much higher this could go. Because again, when you have a key level resistance like that, 272. 1.414 and 1.618 are really common areas where the price action will initially reject. So my speculation is we might see a bouncing point or a resistance at about 37. We'll double check that here and a few other things as well. But just know, if you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I do love teaching people to trade. Really hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. I have trade signals, trading community, and our signals are pretty solid lately here. We've got some healthy profits from Bet, Bake, SUI, Dusk, Kava, OMG, and then last night I was sleeping through this, but we got OGN and BNB as well. So some nice longs. We got a couple of shorts pretty much close to break even now that we've averaged up. So really confident of that, just based on the fact that Bitcoin looks like it does want to pull back on the struggle bus there. Either way, conversation for another day. Last but not least, if you're in the US or Canada, be sure to check out Blofin. Up until November 20th, this exclusive offer is available for you if you want to go ahead and take advantage. Link down below. So, Cardano, what's going on here? Let's talk about this here. We got a large liquidity gap here, upwards of about that 38-cent range. So I wouldn't be surprised we even see 38 cents build before the price pulls back. I'm actually going to set an alert right close to that range just to be on the safe side there, because typically these liquidity levels are swept and then retested later. In other words, we could very well see this being the beginning of a cup and handle pattern, where the price comes up and then breaks out and continues upwards. Very common characteristic there, but simply put, we're looking at a pretty solid potential continuation here. All right, so just bear in mind, looking pretty good there in that sense. If we take a look at overextension, no surprise, we're still there. I'm not super concerned with that though, based on the momentum that this coin has. Look at the amount of volume that we're seeing here. We're staying well above that moving average. And our volume profile, while we have a ton of volume at a lower price points, we zoom in, kind of look at this closer targets, we can see that we're getting some 0.618, 0.786, and roughly that 1.0 level as strong volume zones. So we're getting a lot of volume in this newer range. So I'm not surprised that the price action is continuing upwards here and not looking back. So again, extra volume kind of gives us a good indication of where things are going. If the volume starts to dissipate, just be careful. We'll keep an eye on it, of course, make sure to let you know. But simply put, at this point, I think we're due to continue higher with this nice period of consolidation here. Okay, so taking a look at the moving averages here, we can see we're ascending positively. So what we want to do is go ahead and grab this little trend line here and go ahead and pull it on up, and just make sure to pay close attention to that, because we keep wicking down and bouncing off that, staying concurrent with the 20-day SMA. That's a perfect place to be. Yes, we are slightly overextended on the 4-hour RSI, but nothing to be majorly concerned about. I don't think that's anything to worry about there. The hourly, of course, we do want to take a look here and see we have all green lights here to leave our long position open. If within the next 12 hours the price can't go any higher than where it's at presently, we may want to consider a short or adding to our position at a lower price point. But for right now, Cardano's taken off. There's no reason to try to sell or take crazy profits and flip around just because it's overextended. Overextensions mean nothing at this point when we have this much momentum and the market is on track. Okay, so again, there's this big shift in altcoins that are just surging right now because of the simple fact that we have Bitcoin maintaining at 35,000. You do got to recognize though, Bitcoin is struggling at 35,000. So if it does end up losing that, we lose 34,000, that'll change the whole game here. Okay, we'll have another conversation about that between now and then. I think we're looking still sitting pretty here, if you will, for most altcoins. So all in all, that's where we're at here. What are your thoughts? What do you think is going to happen next? Comment below. Please like the video if you could, help us grow the community. If you do want to jump on over to our Discord, you'll become a premium member, or just generally come on over and have some fun with our community members. Awesome place to be. I have a Twitter and Telegram as well, if that is a better option for you for our news, tactical, and fundamental. All right. Thanks again so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.